Since I came to Skender, it just felt so comfortable. Everyone always asks me, how is it being on the general contractor side? I'm like, well, it's great, but that's because I work for Skender.
Coming to work every day and being happy to see the people, being happy to do the work that you're doing is something I've never experienced before in my career.
You don't see this type of culture and environments many other places, especially in the construction world.
I was really looking for a new way of doing the same old thing I had been doing for the last 24 years, and coming here I think was a chance to reinvigorate my career.
The nice thing is people are so excited to help you and see you grow, and I love that. That's what actually motivated me to stay in construction.
I started as a sub doing projects, and Skender was the GC, so I worked for them indirectly. I said if I was ever going to give up a job I was at for 10 years, this is where I wanted to come.
The essence of Skender for me is the idea that there is no voice too small to be heard. One of the great things that we do is Lean Coffee every month, where anyone can come with an idea of either a process that we'd like to change or even just something fun to propose to do around the office. And some of our best improvements here have come from those ideas.
When I came in for the interview, I felt appreciated. I felt as if they really wanted to get to know me as a person and what I could bring to the table. And it was so much different than other interviews I'd gone on.
The actual mentor program has really been successful and useful for helping new people get ingrained. I had a mentor when I started, and then I've mentored 3 or 4 different people as they've joined the organization since.
We have some great success stories of people who started in different positions and their skills were recognized and they were promoted into different departments to do the thing that they love. So I think that says a lot about Skender, that we recognize and promote very often from within.
One of the coolest things that I have seen in this company is they took someone from the field and who is now a partner VP. So that tells you someone that took the field route instead of going straight to college has a chance, and that means a lot.
I think it's just the ability to be yourself. You're not put into a corner and say you need to look like this, you need to dress like this, you need to be this person. It's like, if you're great at what you do and you're passionate about what you do, then they want you to thrive, and it's really awesome.
Every year we do cross-team outings, and so for the past 2 years I opted to do the citywide scavenger hunt, and I will keep doing it until they tell me to stop because it's so much fun.
My favorite outing was probably our boat trip.
Being on a boat in Lake Michigan in 80 degrees, you can't beat that, so it was really great.
The market is changing, and what construction managers and general contractors do is changing, and we always have to be changing and looking at what we're doing internally to better leverage our resources, as well as look externally to what the market needs and how we can fill that need.
I respect the people that I work with, and that really drives you to work harder and motivates you to be better every day because you don't want to disappoint them, You want to show them that you're trying because they've given you the tools to do better.
I think this would be a great place to grow your career. I wish I had joined sooner, and I'm so excited to see where the company goes next. It's a great place to be.